So, hi there. I'm about to vacuum under my bed. When my mom gives me the vacuum because we're cleaning today. It's a cleaning day. I don't have too much under my bed. Just like I have some winter clothes and old shoes, which I'm gonna get rid of because I'm just gonna put them on my town website. We'll trade for Starbucks gift card. That would be freaking wonderful. I have 2 pairs of the same shoes that need to go. I mean, I know they're not worth a lot now, or even after I wore them. But they're 2020 Ultra Boost Triple Black. So, I don't know, and maybe someone wants them. She just started vacuuming, so it's coming to me soon. I have to do under my bed. My cat hangs out under here, and that bag of rice that we used to use when I spilled stuff on my computer needs to go. Now I'm cleaning behind my door. I have so much crap back here. I have a Victoria's Secret spray. Can you put my necklace on me? Thank you. Oh no, I have to pee. That was fun. I think some of you might know my mom actually listens to techno. She's listening to music while she's mopping. It's kind of funny. She's like singing and mopping and dancing to techno. I'm gonna call John now. Hey mom, mama, mommy. Mom.
Dinner.
Mom. Hey, Mom, what's for dinner? Or my one meal? Can I have a peanut butter and jelly with extra peanuts on top of whatever we have? Well, I mean, I can make that. I'm probably gonna make it because I don't think she wants to do double time. Does that even make sense? I don't think so. Well, basically, she probably doesn't want to work more than she has to. I'm so tired. Why? It must be. Mom!
What?
What's for dinner? Can I have a peanut butter and jelly with extra peanuts?
Yeah.
Super.
Help me out. Jen. Thank you.
Steak and salad.
Yeah.
And my peanut butter jelly.
No. I think you have peanut butter jelly.
With extra peanuts, I asked for it.
I will give you some stuff inside your salad, but you know what, Tana?
I'll make it.
Whatever. There's your peanut butter.
We did not have any frosted bread, so I made a peanut butter and jelly wrap. You want dinner? No treat. Dinner. Time to get baby boy dinner. Do you want to whine for the camera? What do you want? It's time for dinner. Let's go get dinner. Come on. No treats, buddy. You need to eat dinner. Good boy. Look at him. He's so cute. I'm gonna snuggle him.